hest lige her?
Ej, det tror jeg ikke.
Tror du ikke det?
In episode 5, we're putting some more work into our boat to make her ready for our adventure around the world. And we're gonna have a lovely trip to Skansehage with some friends.
Godt. Hvad er vi ved at lave, Isabella?
Vi er ved at skille den her ad.
We took an impulsive decision and decided to remove the extra couch.
Det kan du også gøre.
Salvaging all the spare parts.
Ja, den, Isabella, den vil jeg gerne.
Including this one, because it's a closing mechanism. And this one was broken.
And I really loved the extra space we got. There's never a dull moment on a boat. Something always needs to be fixed or replaced.
Så. Look at that.
By now we have been living on our boat for about a month, and this was the first storm we experienced while living there, and we took this opportunity to walk around and watch the other boats and see how they were tied up so we could learn from others' experiences.
So to start showing.
Also, finding a quiet time to record these videos can be challenging when you live 4 people on a boat. Torben got a really good deal on a winch for the mast because it's been in storage for a few years, so he got 80% off, but it just needed a little maintenance. And when you also find a bracket that almost fits for a good price, it doesn't matter if you need to view a drill and if you need to drill a few holes.
Ja, præcis.
And when you find a bracket at a good price that almost fits, it doesn't matter if you need to drill a few new holes. We are still getting to know the boat, and we are opening up everything to make sure it all works. So every time Torben finds a new hole or a plate that can be removed, he has to look inside to see what's there. In doing this, we also discovered that all the wires in the boat is practically illegal and very dangerous actually. All these wires in the cockpit table, they were isolated with a plastic bag, just and a tape wrapper around it. Wires like this is everywhere, so Torben took it upon himself to change all the wires and all the cables and make them legal and, not the least, safe again.
The previous owner has sealed it with plastics bags.
And while we had the cockpit table off anyway, it really needed a grind down and some new varnish. And after grinding it and giving the centerpiece around 7 or 8 layers of varnish, as it is a woman's right, I changed my mind and I want to have oil instead. Doing work on a boat is just like normal work, but somehow it always seems to be cramped in small, tight, warm places where you can't move around a lot. In the weekends, when everyone else is using power on the docks, our voltage drops to below 200.
Unstable.
So therefore, Torben is setting up the inverter to add up from the batteries to the voltage. Because of the warm temperatures in the water this year, there's a lot of barnacles on the boat, so Torben is jumping in to see if he can clean some of it off. And then it was time to go on a weekend trip with some friends of ours. Katja and Kurt live in the marina, a few bridges away from us, and Katja and Isabella goes to Optimist sailing together. Although Katja is a few years older and have been sailing a few more years. Those silly kids really love it when the boat heels over and they mess around doing funny stuff. You can't really see it in this picture, but when you look outside the window below, when the boat is heeling over, you can see under the water, and the kids love that. This weekend destination is Skansehage next to Rørbye. That day was awesome weather and great winds, so we let Katja have some fun taking the wheel. Katja is a young Optimist sailor and she really likes to go fast, so she did all she could to make it move and she did a great job. As you can see, there's a lot of barnacles on the bottom of the boat and we really need to get it on land so we really can clean it up and give it some new paint.
Pancakes.
When we're out sailing, we do different activities with the kids. Like here they're painting on rocks they found on the beach, and we play some games and we make pancakes and we try to have a good time. But of course, being on a boat, one of the main activities is getting wet, one way or another. And as soon as those kids hear the anchor going down, they quickly change into their swimwear and gets in the water. Thank you so much for watching this episode. On the next episode, we're doing some serious boat work. And if you want to see how we install some new solar panels, new batteries, a water-cooled freezer, and a lot of other cool stuff, please subscribe on YouTube.